All right, hey now, Eugene Hughes Motorized. Let's talk about the clutch. A lot of newbies have a problem. Clutch is very hard to operate. Pulling on the lever and they got to pull real super hard. Well, one thing some newbies will do is they get their cable and they tie wrap it to the frame and they make sharp bends and the like. There's your problem, okay? Now I've got this cable here wrapped up kind of tight and I'm going to pull on it. Takes a little bit of force to do it. Now let's undo this right here. And I've seen some people route it along their bars and then do a super sharp turn like that. It's going to be very hard to operate. There's your problem. All right, so pay attention. I'll show you some pointers on how to avoid the stiff, clutch, hard to pull thing. All right, put your eyeballs on this. I have the throttle cable coming across here. I have the clutch cable there where they're crossing. I'll put a tie wrap. Then I'll put a tie wrap right here on the down tube. Then I'll have the clutch cable come on into the cable holder and then fix it to the clutch arm. I will put the large spring on the cable itself here that goes against the cylinder head. I've never really had an instance where I thought I needed it. I mean, I guess unless you've got a high performance one and you're really getting it super hot, this here can protect the cable. So that's the justification for putting this spring on. This spring here, you don't need it. A lot of people go, oh, well, that's going to help the clutch arm return. No, it's not. It's really useless. You don't need it. If nothing else, it makes the cable harder to pull. All right, so one other consideration that might make your clutch hard to operate. Oftentimes in the factory, they put this cable holder pointing straight back. And when you get the cable in, that makes the cable at a hard angle here to get to the clutch arm, particularly if you have the straight clutch arm here. That'll create a bind right there. Loosen the jam nut, put your clutch cable in, and turn the cable holder almost to where you're getting a bind here. Okay, you don't want to turn it too tight and create a bind here, but what that's going to do is give you more of a straight shot towards the mounting hole in your clutch arm. The angled clutch arms are easier in that respect, but if they're straight, it really makes it hard, particularly if you don't have this here aimed towards the clutch arm. Let the excess of your cable be up front here. You want it up high. You don't want it down low where it'll get caught on something. You may easily catch something down below that grabs your clutch cable that could cause problems. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, you think it's going to help anybody, give it a thumbs up. There's a subscribe button. We got more stuff coming. I want to thank you for watching.